Well, hello everybody. I'm so excited to be unboxing the debut album of KickFlip. Let me quickly get the plastic off. All right, there we go. So I have the two standard versions here. We have onboard version and stop it version. So my little decoration to the side. Forget it. Let's get rid of that. Okay, here we go. So we've got two standard versions, I guess you would call them. Onboard version and stop it version, and then limited edition lookbook version and platform trainee version. So pre-order, so these three, I believe I have these three cards from, and I'm not sure why I have these two. Can't quite remember how that went, but pre-order also comes with some posters here. So this is really exciting. So KickFlip literally just debuted January 20th, and I discovered them on January 21st. So I'm pretty excited to actually follow a band from their debut. They were announced on January 6th. The members were announced, and then they released the song Great, which is great, ha ha ha, which was also co-written, that Amru and Donghua. Yeah, so anyways, let's just start with onboard version. Let me get these out of the way. Okay. Okay, losing stuff. Okay, let's get rid of the inserts. Ooh, okay, I just opened up to a really nice picture by accident. So their theme is skateboarding. Okay, so like I was saying, their theme is skateboarding. I totally brought this out as my little like side prop, and don't even ask me where this came from. Clone Wars, never watched it. Randomly hanging out in one of my drawers. And I find the oddest stuff, I swear. Okay. I like that these pages are not way too shiny, that we're going to get a super bad glare here. You know, it's not bad at all. So we've got, obviously in here, I wonder if this is also going to be in English. I was actually really surprised at their English skills, like extremely surprised. I watched them with some kids, and yeah, it was like extremely surprising that their English skills. I think it was especially Minjay. You're gonna have to excuse me. I'm literally just learning. So it looks like it's all in Korean. And I started out by saying Ki-hoon instead of Ki-hoon. So I'm probably going to get that every once in a while wrong. Amaru, Donghua, and Juang, and Minjae, and Keju, and Donghyun. It's our maknae. That's a good picture. This is a decided one of my biases right here. So I don't know them all really well, but preliminary, watching their videos, watching behind the scenes, You know, I have an initial 3 that is kind of, that started me off, but I kind of, there's some competition in the ranks. Get you, such a little cutie. So yeah, like so new that we don't have a fandom name yet. Guess it'll be a little bit before there's even talk of a light stick, you know. It's a nice picture, Dwayne. Okay. This was the one that I opened the book up to. Nice picture. Yeah, so I listened to Mama Said, and then I listened to Great, and I was like, wow, okay, I really like these songs. And I went on to Spotify, and literally I listened to the very beginning of every one of their songs, and I immediately went and pre-ordered. Immediately. Like the album is absolutely fantastic. Like, what a debut album. I'm so impressed. Okay. So these are our inclusions in the onboard version. So I guess I could just leave this here. Okay, so here's our track list. So, okay. AKA Great. Excellent song. Mama Said, title track, and Knock Knock. I think this is probably, you know, my B-side, #1 favorite, but every single one of them. I like every one of them. And I know, unless what I read was wrong, that Amru participated in the lyrics of that one, and that one, and that one. And Donghua also participated, I believe it was in this one. And then in Like a Monster, also Keun and Minjae. So yeah, it's really cool that they have participation in lyrics. Such a cutie. Okay, so we have our bookmark. Now, oh my God, King. Oh, I know this, and I don't know this all at the same time. This is going to drive me crazy. I'm totally going to have to, yeah. I'm going to look this up right away. And I know it. I've watched things and I know I should know it. It's just, it's not there. It's not there yet. I'm just starting. Oh, okay. We definitely have stickers. Okay. That shouldn't have taken me as long as it did. This is the shortened version of the band name, KFP, for KickFlip. Warriors, great song. Right after the alarm bell at the beginning, right initially after that, totally reminds me of like some pop punk music I used to listen to. Really great song. Okay. That's such a cool, like I can't make that on screen very well because I can't bend my arms, but that was pretty clever in their choreo. Okay, and this, I can't remember what it was supposed to be, like a, not just a member card. It had a name. Can't remember what it's supposed to be, but ID card, I guess. There we go. So we got Keun. And yeah, so anyways, we share the same birthday, September 16. So he's my birthday guy. Virgos. Okay, and that's I don't know their signatures yet. I don't know if you do. I don't even know if I have to do this, but oh, Juang. He's battling. He's battling for me. And Dongyang, and he is also one of my biases, the maknae. So let's see their signatures. So it's not funny now, being that his name is Donghyun. That's an interesting signature. Maybe it's a message. I'm not actually sure if I'm guessing it's their signatures. I will learn. I will learn things. We'll learn together. Okay, let me clean this up. Standard edition, I will call it, is the Stop It version. So I really love the design of this. Love the spiral. Don't even know. It reminds me of the spiral notebooks, you know, the school notebooks. Oh, inclusions. Okay, is that everything? I think so. All right. Oh, I missed something. Okay, this is cool. It is like a school book. You can just write whatever you want in here, or put your stickers in here. You know, put your name, do not touch. Okay. This is a great picture. Actually, there are some posters that came, and I think it would be great if this here was one of the posters. Stop it. Yeah, so I joined fans as well, and like Donghua is extremely active in actually Minjae is pretty active as well. Like I said, it's new for them as well. But it's really cool to see their fan interaction. Okay, so we have the full lyrics in here. Okay, it's like French fries. This is making me hungry. And isn't his thing fried chicken? Or just chicken? Chicken. Minjae, another one of my biases. So that's, yeah. My initial top three, Minjae, Amaru, and Donghyun. Okay. Yeah, so Donghyun, trying to say that fast, I am going to end up sounding wrong. Used to be a hockey player, like a legit hockey player. And I mean, I'm from Canada, so you know, there's a vibe there. And also for the maknae, he doesn't seem like a maknae. And all the writing in here is Korean. Yeah, now we're gonna have a loud noise, so I'm just gonna pause this here. Okay, we're back. Now we're back to some peace and quiet. More Lay's potato chips. I swear, Lay's potato chips have been in 3 different albums that I have opened in this last like 6 months or something. Oh, that's a great picture. Flip it, kick it. Okay, inclusions. Don't come. This is like perfect for me. It's totally perfect. That is so cute. I'm like 99% sure that's Keiju. Looks like him. Okay. And I wonder if all the stickers are going to be the same or different. I think they're exactly the same, like even down to the color. Okay. Stickers. This feels like, geez, what the heck? It's like got this really super softness that almost makes it feel like stickers, but I don't think, oh shoot, it is too. Look at that. I guess you'd have to cut. You can cut these out because this is like one sheet and there's no peeling individual letters, but this does separate. So this is a sticker. Okay, this feels like a mini poster. And we got Minjae. Won't complain. Okay. Oh, Amaru. Okay, you know what? I feel like Amaru and Minjae is exactly what I have here, which are two, oh, literally the names are right there. Okay, well, I guess I totally spoiled that, so. Like, you know, it's $1 million smile, seriously. And, that's great. Okay, let's clean this up. Okay, so I am quickly, I don't know where that accent came from. Just quickly going to open up the platform version. I pretty much wanted to get this because of the photo cards, especially with them just debuting. I think it's actually really great to start a nice collection, and I love this case. See that? That is really cool. And there's even some stickers in here. Okay, so we have a QR code. Just gonna do this. This is just for all of that. And here is the track list. And we do have signatures on the back, so, and they're probably going to go in age order. I'm guessing this is going to be in reverse. Yes, it is. So we're starting with the maknae. Such a cutie. Okay. Keiju. Oh, that sweater looks so comfy. Minjay kind of almost doesn't look like him. Okay. Oh, Juang. Oh, that's a great picture. Songhwa, Amru. See, this also doesn't look so much like him. And Kyun. See, that was... I'm actually going to lay the photo cards out all together at the very end. You can just kind of see everything all together. And now this is the limited version. As you can see, I obviously like them enough to order like all the versions. This is really cool. So we've got KickFlip, in-app square, something like that. This is great. Pretty sure there's supposed to be a scarf or bandana, something like that in here as well. Okay. So yeah, you could throw whatever. Cosmetic bag, you know, your art supplies. Oh my God. The zipper is a skateboard. Can you see that? That is like so clever. Like the smallest little detail. So clever. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Shiny. All their little face drawings. That's so cute. Wonder if they picked them out. That just suddenly looked like a really large band for a quick sec there. And it's almost an identical duplicate, but yeah. Just have slightly different looks on their faces in each one. Wonder, you know, merch is going to be like coming out in no time, I'm sure. I did see a video earlier today, actually, of them walking through their first pop-up shop and just signing things, putting their little charms on this and that. And, you know, there was like a jacket there. There was things like with their lyrics. Yeah, so anyways. And I mean, like, you know, we have a robe here. Like, there's just the potential for my money to run away. Yeah. It's cute. Yeah, I wonder how long it's going to be for there to become a fandom name. This will be interesting. You know, whatever it is, I am one of them. Literally the very first day, so... Oh, geez, we got inclusions. Is that all of them? I think. Okay, that was close. Oh, this sweater looks so cozy. I really like the color of that too. This really off green. Yeah, so the group was not mostly chosen, but 4 of them were chosen from, what do you kind of, it's one of those shows, like, oh my God, I can't even think of what it's called, right? Anyways, Loud. It was called Loud. So it was, so 4 of them were chosen out of that. There was another one, but they departed way before debut. Whoa, yikes, got excited there. And then when they announced the group on January the 6th, yeah, Donghua, Zhuang, and Minji were the 3 that were not part of Loud. So they had not been, formerly known by the public. Hockey. And that actually was his number. He was number 99. Wait, how do I know these things already? Sheesh. Yeah, I think it would be pretty cool to go back and, watch some of these Loud episodes and just see. I seen like one super small clip, and I think it was on Loud. Anyways, it was Keju, and he was like with 2 other people, and he was just like adorable. And apparently his mom is a huge Icon fan, which I can get behind because I really like Icon. And they had Icon as judges during that, or it was Icon week. Yeah. So anyways, fun fact. Fun fact. Okay. Inclusions. This is a photo. I can tell this is a photo. And here, is the bandana. Okay, this is even bigger than I was expecting. I can't even get this in frame. Okay. Waffle love. Oh, that's great. So the back is just, it's like front side only. And you just see through the back. That's really cool. Okay, let's take a look at this photo. Oh, Dongyang. That's great. I love that. It's like, see, I even got a fingerprint. What? It's like a real photograph. Stop it. No. There we go. Yeah, this is really cool. See? Photo. Not lying. And we have a little poster. Ah, we got Amru. Holy, this is a long poster. Very long. Oh, and then we got the track list on the back side. Okay, these are going to be the stickers. I'm curious now, with this being limited, if these stickers are going to mimic the standard Yeah, they are the same. Okay, same colors and everything. And then we've got this cool little, you know, bag tag or now I'm not ruining who these are to myself or to you. Oh, got Juang. See, they were in the same color. This is I love this color. Okay. Oh, and we got Donghua. It looks like he's wearing a Santa hat. I'm not gonna lie. Because there's this tiny bit of red back here. Okay, clean this up here and we're gonna look at the posters. So, how many posters are here? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so both standard and limited, I'm gathering because they were pre-ordered, that all of these posters are part of the pre-order. And they feel quite big, so let me zoom out a little bit. Oh, wow, they're really big. They're really big. Ah, it's a great poster. Wish I could get that all in there a little better for you, but that's about as good as we can do. I love that this is not high gloss. Like, I don't even like to hang high gloss posters on my wall at all. Okay. Good job. A lot of times you get posters and they're not, you know, they're like, okay, but that was really good. Okay. So in behind them, it says flip it and kick it, but they're hiding most of that. And it looks like they're ready to head to a sleepover. Twang's got a pillow over here. Oh, actually, Dongyang's got a pillow too. Oh, it's Kiyun's got a teddy bear. Was this a teddy bear bag that Keiju's got? What? Anyways, they're just, yeah, heading to their little sleepover. Okay, poster number 3. Oh no, it's high gloss. No, not gloss. God. There's the damn lace. See, missed opportunity. This was actually on the page that I said this would be a great poster. It was like, I think, just on the opposite page. And the reason I say that is because they're at different distances. Like Keiju's way back there up on a refrigerator. You know what I mean? Like, we've got people way in the foreground and people way in the background. And I would kind of just rather them all be, and high gloss. Ah! You see what I mean? You see, like, you know, you hang, yeah, anyway. Here is the pre-order benefit cards. Like I said, these 3 will be the 2 standard and limited, and then I can't remember. Oh, these do say Apple Music. Anyways. Oh my god, that is so cute. He's literally holding the photo card that I pulled in the platform version. Where are you, Minji? Come here. Right here. Look at that. See? Same card. Wonder if that's going to be the theme. It totally is. Now, I don't think, oh, it is too. Okay, so they're all holding, this is going to be my guess, is that it's going to be out of that set. So Donghyun, I hope I pronounce their names right, like, you know. And Donghwa was like totally half hiding behind his card. Yeah, he like, look at how young he looks. I mean, he is young. I literally just noticed that there's a Canadian flag on this hat. How did I not even notice that? And you see that? Canadian flag. Huh, interesting. Okay, so these three here, pre-order benefit. And Donghwa. And Amaru. Awesome. I'm going to quickly lay out just the photo cards. I'm pretty sure just the photo cards. All right. Really super quick review of photo cards. So, platform. Oh my God, the glare is annoying. Okay, in the platform version, there's the 7 members. And then these cards here, oh my God, I'm so sorry for that glare. It's obnoxious. These 6 cards here came out of the 3 albums. And then we've got, there we go, pre-order benefit cards. And then these 2 say Apple Music gift card. Apple Music card? Apple Music on the back. Ah, here we go. All right. There you go. Yeah, so I assume if you are here watching this that you're also a fan, and I'm pretty sure that this is not going to be my last album that I'll be purchasing of theirs. I love every song on their album, and you know, they're pretty funny. It's watching their behind the scenes stuff, especially with the senior JYP groups, you know, Young K, Stray Kids, NMIXX, ITZY, and Twice. I've watched those behind the scene things, and they're, you know, really joking around with them, giving them advice, but still giving them a hard time. And, you know, you can kind of see they're a little bit shy, but they're coming out, and I just wish them, you know, great successes in the future. And yeah, until next time.